It's a 2021 Audi A5 Sportback. A dual threat in passionate design and inspiring performance, this Audi A5 combines dynamic handling and muscular styling to elevate your driving experience. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, auto shift manual transmission, four-wheel drive, external memory control, leather steering wheel, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and intercooled turbo inline four-cylinder engine. Audi forges sophistication and performance into each iconic vehicle. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
At Audi Marietta, we prove every day that buying a car can be an enjoyable experience. We're conveniently located on Rottenwood Drive in Marietta, Georgia.